Presidente ning Kapampangan, makananumeng pagmaraguling Pampanga karang karatig bayan.
Thank you. Sorry for my voice. Honestly, I may not be a true Kapampangan, but growing up here in Pampanga, being born and raised, I believe that I embody the culture of every Kapampangan, and ipinagmamalaki ko po yun kasi in everyday na sa mga daily activities ko po, nakagisnan ko na rin po yung routine ng mga Kapampangan. And as a participant for Mr. Pampanga, I believe that I can show my deep love for passion and cultures of Kapampangan through my purpose and goal that I intend to show or leave remark to the audience or the people that will be watching on the coronation night.